if I told you this tiny camera could replace your GoPro, your microphone, your gimbal, and maybe even that friend who's tired of taking 47 photos just to get that one good shot? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today we're putting the new Insta360 Luna Ultra to the ultimate travel test at Rock City. Can one device really do it all? Let's find out. Today we're heading to Rock City, where you can see 7 states from one location and explore incredible mountain views and waterfall. We'll be putting the Luna Ultra head to head against the GoPro 13 and my Panasonic Lumix. So come along as we find out just how good this thing really is. As Moana once said, let's see how far it goes. Before we hit the trail, let's unbox this precious. Yes, Lord of the Rings fans, I said precious. Inside the box we get the Insta360 Luna Ultra USB cord cable, wrist strap, a mystery foam piece, thread handle that doubles as a mini tripod, and the instruction manual that nobody reads until something goes wrong. But wait, one thing you'll definitely want to pick up is a micro SD card. The built-in storage is 47 GB. Trust me, that sounds a lot until you start recording 8K and suddenly your storage disappears faster than my diet plan at a buffet. First up, let's test the photo quality, and wow, look at the difference between the Luna Ultra and the GoPro. The photo coming out of the Insta360 have noticeably more details and better color, but photos are only half the story. Let's see what happens when we start filming. Right away I noticed something I really like: the gimbal stabilization. The footage feels smoother and natural without the weird shaking action camera look. Transitions are clear, movement feels cinematic, and honestly, it makes it look like I know what I'm doing, which is impressive because half the time I'm just wandering around pressing buttons. Now let's test the zoom. And for this high scientific equipment, we're using a distant garden gnome because that's exactly what professional reviewers do. The Luna Ultra can zoom up to 12 times. For photo, the quality definitely starts dropping at extreme zoom levels. The gnome started to look like he was entering witness protection, but for video, the results were surprisingly usable. Let's roll the footage. Next up, the swinging bridge, a perfect place to test the stabilization because this thing moves around like it's auditioning for a pirate movie. I expected a lot of bouncing footage. Instead, the Luna Ultra did a really good job at keeping everything smooth despite the chaos. I also tested what I called the 180 selfie flip. Yes, I completely made that name up, but with just 3 clicks, I can actually switch angles and frame myself. Just like Dorothy, there's no place like home, except in this case, there's no place like being perfectly centered in your shot. We finally made it, the top of the mountain, the famous 7-state view, and as a bonus, there was 3 hawks soaring over our heads. So naturally I grabbed the 12x zoom, and what impressed me the most was how clean the footage looked. Usually when I zoom in with other cameras, I start getting weird ghosting and blur, and I wasn't trying to contact any paranormal activity, at least not in this time. Let's compare the footage from the Luna Ultra, GoPro Hero 13, and the Panasonic Lumix side by side. You tell me which one wins, because if this $800 camera gimbal combo is going to live in my camera bag, it better earn its keep. Now let's see some footage in 8K. Now YouTube limits what you see, but trust me, the original files look incredible. Just imagine everything you're watching right now, only sharper, like someone turned the detail slider to 11. FYI, Luna Ultra is the only device in our bag that captures 8K footage and photos. Now let's talk about one of my favorite features, AI tracking. This might honestly be the feature that changes content creation the most. No camera operator, no asking strangers for help, no running back and forth to check framing. The Luna Ultra simply follows you, the screen pops out, and you control it remotely. And the AI keeps you in frame. I tested this at Starbucks. Hey guys, this is the testing for the Insta360 mic, and also let's see how far the tracking could go. And I was genuinely surprised how far away it continues to track me. Eventually it disappeared from view like a Jedi using the Force, but until then it followed me amazingly well. For hikers, solo travelers, and content creators, this feature is a game changer. Let's talk about audio. The built-in microphone is actually pretty solid. Now if you're standing in heavy winds, things can get a little muffled, but for casual travel videos and quick content, it's surprisingly good. If you're trying to pack light, this is one less thing you'll have to carry around. And now, the feature that made me open my wallet, the low light performance. This is where the Luna Ultra absolutely shines. My GoPro struggles badly in low light, but look at this comparison. It's not even close. The difference is literally night and day. See what I did there? Night and day. I also did a running test because if you're ever being chased by a bear or a mountain lion, or maybe just trying to catch that last berry, you'll want to know how stable the footage stays. The The Luna Ultra handles it surprisingly well. As a bonus, this thing can also create a 360 panorama. I've never tried this feature before, but honestly, it's pretty cool. If you're standing somewhere incredible and want to capture absolutely everything around you, this is a fun option. Check out this footage. Pretty awesome. There are so many features packed in this device that I could honestly make another video covering everything, but these are the big ones, the meat and potatoes. After testing the Insta360 Luna Ultra at Rock City, I came away seriously impressed. Great stabilization, excellent low lighting performance, useful AI tracking, solid audio, and enough versatility to replace several pieces of gear in one compact package. If you're a traveler, solo creator, vlogger, or someone who simply wants one device that can do almost everything, this is absolutely worth considering. I hope you enjoyed our adventure and found this review helpful. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the Fouch, and join us for more adventure. Until next time, bye everybody!